Welcome. Hope you liked this video.
Before we continue, we would like to announce that we are planning a new audiobook series on step-by-step guide on how to get out of the debt trap. If you would want us to create it, please comment yes in the comment box. Also, subscribe now and become the premium users to be notified about it. Atomic Habits by James Clear. Chapter 3. Chapter 3 of Atomic Habits by James Clear is titled How to Build Better Habits in 4 Simple Steps. In this chapter, Clear provides a practical framework for understanding and implementing habit change by breaking it down into 4 key steps. Here is a detailed explanation of the 4 steps and the key concepts presented in this chapter. 1. Q. Make it obvious. The first step in building better habits is to make them obvious. This involves creating a clear and noticeable cue that triggers the habit. Clear explains that many of our habits are the result of the environment we are in and the cues that are present. To establish a new habit, you can start by identifying an existing cue or adding a new one. One strategy is to use habit stacking, which involves pairing a new habit with an existing one. For example, if you want to establish a habit of stretching in the morning, you can do it right after brushing your teeth. 2. Craving. Make it attractive. The second step is to make the habit attractive. Clear emphasizes that the more attractive a habit is, the more likely you are to repeat it. You can make a habit more appealing by associating it with a positive outcome or a reward. For example, if you want to develop a habit of daily exercise, focus on the feeling of increased energy and improved health that it brings. The key is to create a mental link between the habit and the reward, making it more enticing. 3. Response. Make it easy. The third step is to make the habit easy to perform. Clear argues that simplifying your habits and reducing friction can significantly increase the likelihood of their success. To make a habit easy, you can reduce the number of steps required to start the habit. Use the 2-minute rule, which means starting with a small, 2-minute version of the habit. Prepare your environment to support the habit. Example, lay out your running shoes the night before. The goal is to lower the barriers to entry for the habit and make it more convenient. 4. Reward. Make it satisfying. The fourth step is to make the habit satisfying. This step is about reinforcing the habit by experiencing immediate rewards or a sense of accomplishment. Rewards can be intrinsic, example, the feeling of pride and achievement, or extrinsic, example, a small treat or a social reward. Clear suggests that you should feel a sense of satisfaction or accomplishment after completing your habit, no matter how small. In summary, Chapter 3 offers a clear and practical framework for building better habits. By following these 4 steps, making your habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying, you can increase your chances of successfully adopting and maintaining new habits. These steps provide a systematic approach to habit change that leverages the psychology of human behavior to your advantage.
We would request you to appreciate our work by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you feel that this information is useful for any of your close friends, family members or even a colleague of yours, then please share this video with them. Our channel is dedicated to condensing the most impactful and thought-provoking books into bite-sized audio summaries that you can listen to whether you are commuting to work, working out at the gym, or simply relaxing at home. Our shorts provide you a platform to allow you to absorb knowledge effortlessly. So please subscribe.